here we are up at the horsey field, eh, Sonny boy, and we're just cleaning out the roof tent, guys, trying to get it all ready, eh? It's been a little while since we've been out in it, eh? That's because we've been working on Jessica and the stables just so recently, eh? We're getting there though, guys, we'll get there. It just takes time, and as you can see, look, equipment everywhere. We'll get it, won't we? And under the lorry we go again, guys. And like I said before, guys, we power washed this thing to bits and just left sort of the rusty patches. And I'll tell you guys, there's no holes at all. It's absolutely brilliant. Just surface stuff. But it's this bit here, look, the diff. So we need the diff seal for there and make a gasket for there, which you put the gasket paper for. But if we can get in there with a power washer, so look at all the crud and rubbish, and we can absolutely clean that baby up really, really nice. So hey guys, and welcome to another episode of BFF. Now you have to guess, where are David and Emily?
The field's only green, yellow.
I know, look.
Green, yellow, and white.
It's starting to get really green though. Look at it. Oh, the bunnies are across there, look at them. We're not over there, they've moved in. Yeah, so David's given the roof tent a bit of a clean out, eh son? Just, it's not smelly. Here she goes, look. A crazy woman. Right, so yeah, Ems is off homes. But she's off at home, and me and Davs are going to sort out that great big mess there, plus under the lorry, yeah.
We're going to cut the grass.
Cut the grass. Yeah, he's on it guys, he's on it. Getting all cleaned up underneath. This looks lovely when it's done, guys, all painted. Very nice. Ah, he's on it, he's on the job. If you're watching for the first time, guys, that is Emily's horse stables. Just about to put the last piece of roofing on that, which is going to be awesome. But then we bought this thing. I'll take you out, look. 7.5 ton horse lorry for 2 horses. But what we're going to do is, we're going to put tools in here, dirt bikes, quads, all that sort of stuff, the ace. And obviously then you've got the sleeping area over there. As you'll see, big double bed and cooker and all that sort of stuff. Wild camping support vehicle, eh? And we can still move the horses around when we get them. Yeah, he's getting there. Right guys, so it's the following day and me and young Davs are on it, eh son?
Yeah.
Well, we'll just fix the camera for us, there we go. So we're heading down to this Inverness Car Show. This was the last stop we made before we went to Derby Moor, wasn't it? The last holiday. Yeah, check it out guys, just going out to Inverness, wild. We've got our jackets though, waterproofs, everything. We'll be okay. Yeah, the car show is right on the edge of Loch Ness, so it should be just lovely.
I'm gonna look for every cool car.
On the edge of Loch Ness, you guys.
The 1 inch, there's your money.
Right, so guys, there's actually like a BMX little stunt show going, so we'll quickly see that first.
He says he will be. Superman's, the extension, huge. So let's put our hands together for the mighty Mr. Daniel Stewart, everybody.
Ooh.
Daniel Stewart, everybody.
Nice.
Get bored out of your Subaru or whatever it may be. All I need you to do is cheer for whichever one of these athletes impresses you the most. Right then, this side, not everyone getting involved. So let's try it again. On 3 Inverness, let's hear it. 1, 2, 3.
Is George going to play it safe? Is he going to send it? These guys are ultra competitive.
Yeah, so me and Davs are going to make our way over there and work our way back towards the car. That's the plan, you guys. There, look right in front of us. So we've got STs. Yeah, look, that's more like it. That's what we're here to see, you guys. Check it out. And that's a VXR, isn't it? David's going to get some photos today as well. And that's our dream car, isn't it, my boy? Ford Focus RS. That is gorgeous. Something like that. And again, it's an ST this time. Yeah, that's oh, that's beautiful, that one. Oh yeah. F250, oh that's gorgeous. Have you got the big F250? Oh yes. Wicked. That is wicked. Now the way we film this, you guys, is to, you know, just if you were here with us, you know, cut out some of the boring bits obviously, but you can walk around with you, you know. Oh yes. Yeah, oh there's a Renault RS, look.
Never seen
Renault. And this has to be the Viper. Dodge Viper. Look guys, older Mustang. Bit of Porsche. That's wicked, isn't it? Proper look for you, remember. There we go. We don't, that is gorgeous.
Dad, I've already got a photo.
Have you? Oh, it's an older Mustang, that is beautiful. Let's have a look. That's gorgeous. Hopefully you can see in, guys. I wouldn't want to go and start opening the doors and that. There's a GTS Porsche. So we're getting some classics now, guys. Well, obviously from the UK. My dad used to have one of them. We do have some rally cars here.
And rally drivers.
Yeah. These guys would have been in the Snowman Rally, I would have thought. Mark II RS. They're really old. And that, hopefully, it's a Cosworth there. This is the Mark II Escort, son. Slightly different. Big cliff. That is beautiful. Now this used to be the big thing, look,
How much
Escort.
would that car cost to buy brand new?
Oh, I don't know, son. 40 grand maybe these days, I don't know. Now, is this a Cosworth? Yeah, it's Cosworth. Goodness me, everybody wanted that when we were young. When I was younger, that's what everybody wanted. Ford Escort Cosworth. Yeah, and I had about 5 of them growing up. 5 minis I think I had altogether, son. But that is a beautiful example.
I saw it.
It's kind of normal Type R's, IDTT. Oh, it's a Quattro as well. Oh, now check it out. Oh man alive, here we go. Look at this, son. Sierra RS Cosworth now. Now this thing's actually got a roll cage in it. Lombard RAC Rally. Colin McRae, Derek Ringer, look. How cool's that?
Colin McRae's
Kinda, if we look back, maybe, you never know actually. Bonaccord Motorsport, we'll find out if that was actually Colin McRae's. I wonder. Oh, awesome. Yeah, so what has he got in here? He's got a Ford Cosworth engine in this thing. Which means this thing will be rapid. I'm sure we saw this. Did we see this at the Snowman Rally?
No.
No, I don't think so. Look at that, that was wicked, isn't it? The bucket seats, son, just normal. Of course, the alarm system. There's the fuel tank, isn't it? That's a rally fuel tank in there, isn't it, son? Wow. That is gorgeous. Is it the 5-litre V8, this one, of course, isn't it? Yeah. That is amazing. So this over here is me and David's world. Oh, look at the KTMs. Oh. There we go. I know. Oh, look at the KTMs. ZX-10R. And there it goes. Is that the newest? That's the 1000 SX. Yeah, KTMs do look great, don't they? Man, that's a monster. That is a monster, son. Monster. That's an engine. Look at that engine bay. That is so nice. That's so nice. Oh, David, look. See what David spotted, look, one of Mark 1. Mark 1 Mexico. And My mate used to have one of these actually.
Cars with their engines open.
Yeah, I think we'll go for a proper look, eh?
And there's a camel car up there.
Yeah. David's having a quick look. Nice. Twin cam 16 valve. Nice, put a bit of work into that, hasn't he? Yeah. It's a roll cage in it as well. We need to find out if that is a replica or if Colin McRae actually did drive that one. I'm sure we'll know by the license plate if we look online.
Well, it says different people's names there and then their names.
Yeah, that is lovely. This is wicked. What a monster. What a monster, eh? That must be so comfy, that, eh, son? Well, look at the size of that boot. Well, you can fit like 4 sets of glove clubs in there. It's got a lady mark. Nice. There's an RS Turbo, another car your daddy would have loved when he was younger but couldn't afford. Scooby World, that's nice, that one.
Let's go to the Mustang.
David's going to hit this Mustangs again.
There's a motorbike.
Oh my, that is nice. Oh, aye.
See the bike next to it?
Yeah, see that? Don't think this would be a Shelby Mustang. I wouldn't think so. Not in the UK, surely. Oh, what a monster. That is beautiful. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Hey, son? He's seen his bikes, look. We are bikers after all, people. But we do love our cars, we do. And that is a monster.
Oh, and I.
Nah, that's the one we're wanting in it, son. One day.
Too many similar RSs.
Yeah, one day maybe. One day. There's another RS there, isn't it? These all kind of got body kits, lower than body kits, yeah, it's another RS. Wow, that is low to the ground. That is really low.
It looks like the one from the movie.
That must attract a lot of attention. That is wicked, isn't it? It's even got the Mr. Fusion thing on the back, like.
The window.
Oh, look, and it's got all the lights inside and everything, yeah.
This is the actual door. Look, I don't know if I get caught.